Morning, guys. About 6:30 a.m. and I'm gonna take you guys along today on my vlog, show you what my routine is for the day. If it's your first time here at this channel, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stick around with me and see how my day goes. So we're gonna first start off with a little bit of energy and go upstairs and do a workout. We currently have visitors in the middle of the workout session. Say hello, boys.
Hi.
About to go get them ready for school and then on to our next routine. All right, it's currently 9 o'clock. The boys are in school and we got about 2 hours to play with, so we're gonna make 3 stops here. We're gonna head to the bank, post office, and probably hit up a thrift store, and then get back here in time to get the boys ready for lunch and then continue our day. So let's go. All right, guys, we just got to one of the bigger thrift stores for inspirations. About to go inside, see what we can find, get a few good things. So come on, let's get on in there. We were able to pick up a few good things from out of that store. About to head back home now and show you what we got. All right, we're back in the house and the kids are still in school now. Have them separated, different rooms. Let's take a look at what we got from the thrift store. All right, we picked up a pair of Brooks. Paid about $8 for those. Probably get about 30 for these. Pair of Adidas. Pink was half off today, so we paid about $6.50 for these. Pair of Nike Court Royale. I think we also paid about $7 for these. And a pair of Saucony's Hypermax. Pretty good condition. These are women's. Let's pay about $5.50 for these. As I said before, pink is half off. All right, well, the kids are in school still, so I can't get into my studio to take pictures and get things listed as of yet. So it's breakfast time for me. It's about 11:30, so it's lunchtime for them. So we're gonna take care of that first, and then we'll work on some of the behind the scenes stuff. All right, we finished some behind the scenes work, relisting on Poshmark, sharing my closet, other technical stuff that has to be done on the computer. Right now I have an appointment with the chiropractor for some massage therapy. So we're gonna go up in there, and after that, back to the house. The kids will be done with school, and I'll be able to get into my studio and start listing. Guys, you always gotta remember, as a part-time reseller, as a full-time reseller, you gotta make time to take care of yourself and also time for the family. All right, so let's get this appointment knocked out. All right, we're finally getting down to listing. We're down in the studio, and we're about to take a few pics and get these things done. So we just finished listing taking pictures of a few listings that got to be put up. After this, it's basically behind the scenes of going online, listing, marketing, scheduling posts. But we do have to shrink wrap a few of the things. So we're gonna end this video here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit that like button. This is Sean Bajan HBK. On to the next video. I'll see you then.